In this part, we are going to learn about two commands which is basically used for the system information and for the power management. The first command we are going to use right now is PowerCfg command. The purpose of this command is to control the power plans, also known as power schemes. What kind of power plan? As you know that if we go to our control panel, simply go to your search and write control panel, and here you can see some power plans. Simply small icons and you can see power plan right now here. This is power options. You can see these are the power options like power saver, what power plans, create a power plan for your system like high performance, etc. All these are the power plans for our computer or for our PC. So what power CFG command basically do, it controls the power plans, also known as power scheme. Like I said, it so let's try this command power CFG. What is the syntax of this command, which is quite easy? Power CFG and slash question mark, so that we can know what is the attributes or options we have for this command. And as you can see, there are multiple options. We have like a slash L or slash A, which shows basically list all the power plans. Q for display the contents of power plan. X for modify setting wherein the current power scheme, duplicates a power scheme, delete a power scheme, delete a power setting. So let's try slash L and see our power plan. These are the three power plans in our PC, which is balance, hyper, and power save. As you can see that we sort these power plans in power option and go to the create a power plan, and you can see that the three power plans: balance, power saver, and high performance. So let's try another option of this command, which is Q. And what is the purpose of Q command slash Q option? As you can see that we don't have to remember everything. It displays the contents of power scheme, as you know. So let's go to our command, and you can see there's a lot of power plan settings. Like start from here, which is power scheme. GUID is basically globally unique identifier. You don't have to understand what is this. It is basically used by Microsoft engineers related to power scheme plan. As you know, right now our power scheme plan is balanced, which is seam balanced. Then we have hard disk, which is subgroup. It basically is a unique identifier of this hard disk. Turn off the hard disk if I want to, but I won't because it will affect my system right now. So let's try hibernate power plan settings. Then we have this allow wake up timers, USB settings, power button and lid on my computer or my own laptop, power button action, shutdown, hibernate, do nothing, sleep. So these are all my power plans. Now let's clear the screen using CLS command. Now what if I want to know the information of my system? Means related to all the information related to my RAM, hardware, my graphical user, my graphical card memory, my graphic memory, my VRAM, my SRAM, my DRAM. So simply using a command which is known as system info, and let's check its option. And these are the all options we have given, like system specify the remote system to connect. You will help you to specify the user context under which the command should execute, format. So right now we don't have to use each and every one. Let's simply use system info and let's try this. And as you can see, this is loading my information. So my information is being loaded. As you can see, my operating system is right now giving me information that it is Windows 10 Pro. My host name is Khattak, means my computer name. And as you can see, there's a lot of information. You see, as you can see, there's a lot of information like product ID of my window, my processor type, which is one processor, means this is one processor based system, 64 based version, and I'm using an Intel processor, which is 3210 megahertz. And let's go to our RAM, virtual RAM size, which is right now basically RAM means random access RAM, which is known as RAM, which is 8098 MB, means 8 GB. where my virtual RAM is basically graphical memory. Basically, virtual memory maximum size is 8 GB. In this case, right now it is combined with my RAM basically. Then I have a 17 GB, where in use I'm using right now 7 GB memory. So as you can see that my login server is BRK Khattak. Then my network card information is Realtek wireless LAN 822 with USB. And then we have also have Realtek family control. This is my Ethernet card. This is my DSCP enable, because right now I'm using this. As you know, we have also learned this, that it is immediately disconnected. Why? Because I'm not using right now Wi-Fi. I'm using my LAN internet, LAN connection. So this is the first section of our course, and we have successfully completed our first section. We also learned